Hey everybody! I actually got out today to go to Dollar Tree, so I want to show you what I got. And I probably have to make this a quick haul because I bought some stuff for Texas and he's already trying to get inside the bags. Okay, so we got another one of these because he really enjoyed it. He really did. So I'll open that, and when he comes back in my office, I'll give it to him. Alright, so, oh, and he also gets, and I'm dropping things. Okay, he also gets that one too. He liked the other one that we got him. I'm sure if I go in my living room and I move around furniture, I'll find them all. Haha. Okay, so I was watching 50 Tiffany. If you don't know who she is, she does Dollar Tree hauls. And I saw that she got these for $1. There's 22.5 full ounces in it. So I went a little crazy with shampoos and conditioners. So I got these two. I think I have to turn on my other light. And then I grabbed a hairspray. And there's the light. Yeah, so I grabbed these. Texas, get out of there. Get out of there. I grabbed some crepe paper to make some embellishments. And then I grabbed these because I couldn't resist. Look at how stinking cute these are. I love these. Grab those. And then I got something on my wish list. Yes, look. I got the pink Himalayan salt. I have been waiting for this. My store finally got it. Yay. John and TJ were with me because we went to Wendy's for dinner. I got to go out for the first time since the tornado, and I got to see a lot of the devastation. And then we took a ride down one of the roads, and you can actually see the path that the tornado took. There's houses that don't have roofs. I mean, 100-year-old trees that are just snapped like toothpicks. But, alright, so we grabbed my cats are so picky. Oh my god, they're so picky. So, we're gonna try this for $1. Then I grabbed the shampoo to go with the conditioner. And then I grabbed that one for Johnny. And then I grabbed the shampoo to go with that conditioner. I'm not kidding, I went shampoo crazy. I like to do different shampoos every day. I don't use the same shampoo 2 days in a row. And then I grabbed that one. And I grabbed that one. I'm not kidding you, I went shampoo crazy. I thought for $1, how could you beat that? Okay, now you can tell John was with me. Ready? John. 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 You can get him on my hiney. And John. Yeah, all John. John bought this for the cats. And he bought another one for the cats. Can't take John with me anymore. Cramps my style. Okay. Then our peeler is missing in action. I don't know where the heck it went. So he went to peel a cucumber last night and we couldn't find the peeler. So somebody must have emptied my dishwasher and didn't put it back in the right spot. So in like a month or two, I'll probably find it in a different drawer. Then I needed these because I keep losing mine in my craft room. Then for Father's Day, look what I got. Look at this little toolbox. Tell me this isn't the cutest little thing. So I'm going to be putting some of his Father's Day gifts in there. And then look at that bag. Isn't that cute? for $1. So I'm already starting Father's Day. I needed this for myself because I bought my mother-in-law one and I didn't get one for me to put Vinny's picture in. And then I'm hoping that barbecue season comes soon. So I grabbed that. And then this is for John. He wanted those. And then look at how cute this is. So I got to find a picture of John, TJ, and Vinny. See, that's my men. And I always put John in the middle. So if I take a picture of my men, it will be TJ, John, and Vinny. And John will always be in the middle of my 2 boys. And that's why I did that. And then he could hang that in the garage. Isn't that cute? All for Father's Day already. Girls, look at what I found. Hi, Texas. Texas, you want your toy? Okay, hold on. Wait, Texas here. He knows that there's a toy here somewhere. That's for you. Thank you. Girls, look what I found. I got 2 more stamps. I got the birthday and I got the cactuses. Can't believe I found those. And then, you know, for these, I'm thinking I'm gonna punch a hole with the circle punch and I'm gonna put felt on the bottom of these. So that's why I bought the felt. And let's see, TJ needed a, did TJ leave?
Coming back.
Okay, TJ picked that out. He needed that. And toilet paper. But I don't need to show you that. And then look at those permanent markers. And I wanted to just show you a couple of things to see how they work. I wanted to, that hole ended. Let's see if I can re-say that since I'm not saying things. Ooh. That's not good. Oh, that's not good at all. Huh. Sheesh. I don't want to touch that because I think I would get filled with... Alright, let's see if we can fix that. Huh. Alright, let's see if it works. They're very cute. That was just a little glitch. I wonder if it'll happen again. Alright, I'll be careful with that one. Donna. Donna. Oh, how cute are these for $1? Oh, that's pretty. Donna. Okay. Alright, these are good, right? Yay! Alright, so for $1. That works. How cool! Alright, now on to the last of the fun stuff for us. Okay, let's see if I can zoom you out. I'm at the top. See who's on my lap? Can you see who's sitting here? Hello? Give me a kiss. Hello, Texas. Hi, Tex. Hi, Tex. Show everybody. Say hi to... Ah! They're gonna see all the goodies. They're gonna see all the goodies. Told you he was gonna be around. Puts his head on my lap. Okay. Look at those. I'm thinking how cute. These might be tomorrow's cards. So I bought 2. But look at those. I almost didn't find a second one of these. So I was thinking that they couldn't be a Saturday and Sunday card because I wanted them. But now we can share. And then look at these. Weekly menu, list to do, and notes. And I think I'm going to punch 3 holes in these and put them in the little binder. Oh, and I forgot to look for binders again. Oh. Holy moly, every time I go to Dollar Tree, I forget something. But I wanted to show you real quick what I wanted to do with these. Oh, look how that opens. Okay, so this was the TN that I made with all the Dollar Tree things in it. So I thought, how cute would this be if I grabbed my hole punch? I could probably do that many. Make sure my hole punch is still there. And look at this! Can you all see this? I know. Oh gosh. There we go. Look! Add this to those TNs. Oh my goodness. This is going to become my go-to book. Yes, it is. That's my haul. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I will see you tomorrow with the 2-card tutorial Saturday. Alright everybody, have a great night, and I will see you all real soon. Bye!